Okay, what's going on here is I'm going to, if this works, I'm going to roll that piece of junk Alfa Romeo off of the trim. And when it's on the trailer ready to be cut up. But I have a very I'm not in a good position here. So let's see. Just how this goes. Well, we'll see. Now, I just had my adjustable wrench. What did I do? See how this piece of junk, this experiment, see how this actually works. Push, and this car's going to go flopping over onto the trailer, and then I'm going to cut it up.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, so what am I doing?
We're going to, this thing rotates over.
Oh.
This thing's got a thing, so, but, and it's all free, it's only being held up by right there.
Okay.
You know, the stand, the red stand. So, this thing will flop onto the pallet and then it might just tip over on the middle of the trailer. Once it's on there, I'm just gonna cut it up tomorrow or the next day. And I can't take it to the junkyard like this.
Yeah, yeah.
Because it's a car. I gotta cut it up. And I'm
You
not
gotta have a title for it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna fool with it. So let's just pick it up a little bit. Okay, this will be pretty easy. So we're gonna have to really just push it fast and hard. Okay?
You gonna let it go or you gonna hang on to it?
No, it'll go. It'll flip over, and this thing will just rotate. But I just want to push up on this handle to push that car.
Okay.
So it'll just go.
I'm letting go then, right?
It wants to go right now.
I'm letting go then, right?
Well, no, we're gonna let go and push. We're gonna just push up this bar, and it will rotate over, and we'll give it enough swing to get that thing going. Okay?
Okay.
On 3, we're gonna do it. 1, 2, 3.
Not
Okay,
bad.
what hit? Something hit, like this bar, or it hit over there.
Hit down first over here.
I think it was my end.
Was it your end?
This
first?
thing, this bar hit it.
Did it hit the truck, did it? That's all that matters.
No, the bar hit the trailer.
Ah, that's
I didn't
what I
think it would, but it did. So, now let me get this thing out of the way. So, this wire is going to be real heavy. Let's just try to just cut it up like that.
Oh, that's it. Keep the blade underneath it.
Just take off chunks of it. Yeah, it's still kind of heavy.
That's hard.
Why for 150 sold bunch of 700? Go in the front, do the. Good enough.
Oh yeah, 1 feet out, ready to go.
Alfa Romeo, that's fucking. Thanks, man. All right, that's it for that. Cut it up into the scrapyard.